Bingo. Here we go. Short hair boot camp. If you want to book a class to learn how to cut this short pixie style right here, mold and curl it using the Marcel irons, I have a one-day class available. You can book online, www.stylistjohn.com. You can call me at 314-359-5499. I can get you fly. I'm looking for 100 ladies that like to wear short hairstyles, that are outgoing, that are people persons, that like going dancing to the club, yoga, that are working women that are on the go, that would like to wear short hairstyles. I'm looking for 100 women. You can inbox me on my Instagram. You can call me. You can hit my website, hit my Facebook inbox. Let me know that you're interested, and I will make sure that I cut, mold, and style your hair. Now, these short hairstyles are $150. Okay, it's the haircut, it's the mold, it's the style, and if you need a relaxer, it's $50 for the relaxer. Okay, I had a recent client that got hair color, and she got her hair cut, she got hair color, then she got the mold and style. Book me online, www.stylistjohn.com, 314-359-5499. I can get you fly.